hear my mother making sweet potatoes Pithas. So maybe she first mixed potatoes and flour and giving the round shape. And it's looking wet bitter, wait for it to dry. So they're looking very funny, like shit, I don't know. Oh wow, here, milk balling, why does it smell so good? So maybe they put some cardamom, cinnamon, and bay leaf while these ingredients really change the flavor and smell. Milks. So you put it a while and let it boil after they will fry this white Pithas and make it brown. Yes, until they will cook until they're brown. How does that? Now, shut us. That. It's changing now. Julius, leave it for brown. Wow, it's really changing the color. What are they? My mom said she learned from her grandmother. Yes, it's really looking very good because these pitas are when the become brown. It looks more, greedy. Like